Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have seen the definition of work, examples of work, and formula of work. In this lecture, we have studied the positive work, zero work, and negative work. Can you recall what are the different types of forces and their examples? Gravitational force. Example of gravitational force is every object attract towards the earth. Electromagnetic force means force between the two moving charges is the electromagnetic force. And third is nuclear force. Example of nuclear force is attraction between the protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is the example of nuclear force. Use your brain power. You have learned how to calculate the work done on an object when the displacement is in the direction of applied force. But if the displacement is not in the direction of applied force, how do we calculate the amount of work done? Means when we apply the force on any object, then the direction of force and displacement is same. If that displacement and direction is not same, then how we calculate the amount of work done? This we have learnt. Means when displacement and direction of force in the same direction. For example, this is a box and this is a eraser. I apply a force on eraser and eraser move some distance. Applied force is in this direction and displacement is in the same direction. And this work we have calculated already. But when applied force and direction of displacement is not in the same direction, then how we calculate? Then we, for the calculating of work, we have seen this next point. See what is the next point? In the next point, there is 3 examples. In the first example, Meenakshi want to displace a wooden block from point A to B. Has she spent her all energy for displacement or displacing this block? No. She does not spend her all energy for displacement of this wooden block. See second example. You see this example in your house. A child pulls a toy with the help of string. In this second example, a child applied a force in the direction of toy. Means direction of force in this direction and displacement in opposite direction. Third example, a large vehicle toys a small vehicle. Here applied force from the large vehicle and that force on the small vehicle means force, direction of force is in this direction and displacement is in the opposite direction. See, I explain in this figure. This is a figure. Table point A to B, applied force on the wooden block, and displacement S is in the same direction. If both are in the same direction, then we have say the positive work done. In the figure B, this is a toy and a girl pull this toy. She applies a force. Force is in the direction of toy and displacement is opposite direction. When both are in opposite directions, means displacement and force, then negative work is done. Same in the figure C, big motor vehicle applies a force on small motor vehicle. That force is in the direction of small vehicle and displacement is in the direction of large vehicle. Both are in opposite direction, means negative work is done. And this is figure of zero work. This figure is not given in our book, but I can explain. When a string toys a stone and revolve in a circular motion, म्हणजे ज्या वेळेला एखादी गोफण आपण फिरवत असतो किंवा एखाद्या दोरीला दगड बांधलेला असतो आणि तो सर्क्युलर पाथमध्ये आपण फिरवत असतो, त्यावेळेला काय होतं, सपोज ह्या पॉईंटला तो रिलीज झाला तर त्या स्टोनची डायरेक्शन ही अशी असते, म्हणजे डिस्प्लेसमेंट ह्या डायरेक्शनने असते आणि फोर्स हा सेंटरमधून अप्लाय झालेला असतो आहे. मग इथं काय असतं की तो इथून रिलीज होतो, मग ॲप्लाइड फोर्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट हे परपेंडिक्युलर असतं. ज्यावेळी फोर्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट परपेंडिक्युलर टू ईच अदर असेल, ॲट दॅट टाईम झिरो वर्क इज डन. हाऊ झिरो वर्क इज डन? This is explained in the next point.